Molweni ndiyanamkela nonke kwezi Chisebe Entertainment. Hey guys, akulaleki ngithe ngisabathe nanguphela uthando noSiyacela wakwisencane lengane nje baya trend abafowethu ngathi awuthi ngeke ngiyoyibukela because bese ngingayibukeli le reality TV show mengibheka nangempela iziyasha lapha yana ke. So uThembi Nkosi ekubaba kaThando, he was really angered by the fact that ngalesikhathi ebehambile ke beno meeting laphana ke kwaDlamuka akayitholanga irespect ebecabanga ukuthi uzoyithola emveni kokuthi ahambe ayoxolisa ngendaba awayenza ukuthi athatheke uThando behind the Dlamuka's back. So it was a very bad meeting guys because oDlamuka ba end up behlawulisile ke laphana ke oThabethe bethi abakhokhe imbuzi. So bacasula yilokho nje, angazi ukuthi ngempela uThando ungena kephi ecasukeni kwabo because in as much as bezama ukuhlaza uSiyacela bahlaza uThando kakhulu. So uSilike oyiqalile kwe ingxoxo yokuthi nje uSiyacela njengoba ekhulumela phezulu ebiza abantu ngezinja ethini ingane lena kaThando ayifani ngisho ukufana naye ilana ke ubaba kaThando uThembi Nkosi avele wangena khona wathi ngempela ukuthathaphi le information uyithathaphi ngoba sekaningi abantu bengitshela ngalolidaba. Of course ke ngayigcina ngaphakathi ngoba ngikubaba kaThando ngiyakholwa ngempela because number 1 uSiyacela is light skin, number 2 uSiyacela uyi heavyweight champion mkhulu, ayikho ngisho neyodwa into efana noSiyacela kuleya ngane kaThando ngisho nokuhamba. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi lapha kwaDlamuka bebezama ukuqinisa umndeni because remember during the time uThando ekhulelwa uSiyacela waye busy phansi naphezulu eLovu and kwake kwakhona nenkulumo yokuthi ingathi uSiyacela infertile because remember he took 3 years ukuthi uThando akwazi ukukhulela. So abakwaDlamuka babona ukuthi how shame lo isidimdimi ingane kumele siqinise umuzi, either bathatha uDlamuka ubaba uDlamuka bamlalisa noThando kwaphuma lengane ngoba lengane le ifana kakhulu nobaba uDlamuka, noma bathatha uNjabulo bhuti kaSiyacela naye bamlalisa noThando because ingane le ifana nobaba uDlamuka iphinde ifane nobhuti kaSiyacela uNjabulo guys. And I was just like, ayibo guys, okay ingane iyakwazi futhi ukufana nobaba uDlamuka, there's no problem in that, but inkinga isekuthaneni ke manje bathi uSiyacela ngalesi sikhathi ekhulelwa uThando wayengekho eseLovu. Ilana ke inkinga eqala khona guys. Nina imicabango yenu, what are your thoughts? Ngiyacela si-engage down on the comments and ngizonibona on my next upload. Bye.